Whoa, Apple just dropped the iPhone 17 Pro, and trust me, this one's a game changer. Let's break it down fast. No fluff, just the good stuff. This thing is thin, like impossibly thin. We're talking the slimmest iPhone ever, with aerospace-grade titanium and a totally bezel-less display. And that new Super Retina XDR 2.0, it's brighter, smoother, and absolutely stunning. Under the hood, it's rocking the new A19 Pro chip, built on a 2-nanometer process. Translation? It's stupid fast. Multitasking, gaming, 4K video editing, all buttery smooth. And battery life? Best we've ever seen on an iPhone. Cameras got a massive upgrade. 48-megapixel main, 5x periscope zoom, and Apple's new AI-powered Photonic Engine 3. Low light? Crystal clear. Portraits? Studio quality. Videos? Straight up Hollywood. There's also VisionOS Sync for seamless Vision Pro connection, USB-C with Thunderbolt speeds, and a new gesture-based Siri. Plus, finally, full customization on the lock screen and widgets. Starting at $11.99, the iPhone 17 Pro isn't cheap, but it feels like the future in your hand. Would you upgrade? Drop your thoughts in the comments.